Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. My name is DJ Kaz, and today we want to speak about why the drip price, it will go 200 plus or $1,000 this year, $1,000+ I'm very bullish at this. Yes, the price of drip is low because if you look at it in the swap section, it is at $81, not the greatest, but we are talking about drip. The drip is the best, literally the best place in the DeFi staking world. Let's be 100% honest. The price might be down, but where else are you gonna go? You know what I mean? You want to really stick with the stuff that are legit, very good developers, stuff that cannot be hacked, cannot be rug pulled as well. You know, FOREX has a really good track record as well. So the price of drip, if we look at it right here, yes, it's looking bad, whatever, but this will go back up. You know what I mean? This is all because there's been in the anticipation of the animal farm coming out, then the piggy farm coming out. So people have been selling. And I'm not going to say I'm not guilty of that either. You know what I mean? I've been doing the same thing with my drip garden. I've been selling it so I can enter the piggy bank. But now that I've actually entered it, I've locked it for a week. You guys can see a video about it. Just watch my previous video. And you know what I mean? That's why people are selling it, right? And I wanted to show you guys something that FOREX said right here, why drip price is extremely bullish. The whole drip ecosystem is going to be bullish. We're talking about major partnerships. So I want to bring up this video, which is a live stream that I watched. I tuned from the drip farm. I'm actually I watch him a lot. You know, this is a guy. Anyways, this is a very good YouTuber for drip. I like his live streams. Maybe I'll live stream in the near future as well. But I want to show you guys a specific part where FOREX was in the voice chat of the animal farm when it launched. Obviously, I wasn't there because I was actually enjoying my time instead of just, you know, staying in the voice chat, panicking. Oh, it's delayed. Don't worry about that, honestly. But I'm gonna show you guys the FOREX, what he said, and it's bullish. You know what I mean? This is bullish for drip faucet. That's why the price of drip faucet will go up. Price of drip will go up, which will then bring everything else in the drip. You know what I mean? It will bring the plant price as well up because plants are low, right? That's why, you know, it makes sense because, you know, drip garden is made of the drip USD LP, and which is the pairing up the two tokens. And what happened to the drip price? Lowered. So obviously it will lower down the LP price. But I do believe it will go up again, obviously, when drip price will go up again. But that's obviously a matter of time. But it's good to see there's an insight that there's been stuff in the works, and I will show you. But if you want to join the Faucet, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Yes, it'll be my referral link. But this will be a way of saying thank you, supporting a small YouTube channel, saying that I've helped you, saying that, you know, I have explained something to you, I've gotten you in the drip ecosystem. You know, it'll be a way to support a small YouTube channel at no extra cost of you. Anyways, and you can join the team. It's 18 people. You know what I mean? You can join it, and you can also join the Telegram. It's called the Farmers Community. It's an amazing place. We meet new people. People come in, ask questions. Everyone can answer your questions. Either me, I'll say hi to you as well. So make sure to join those and click on the links if you want to enjoy, obviously. But if we go back right here, let's play it and let's listen to what FOREX said. That is extremely bullish.
Going into next. So the full focus now is for today.
Get the website working.
Doing a couple front end things for Piggy Bank, but for the next couple weeks, it's marketing, heavy marketing. It is building the lottery system, and it is the next major drip partnership. And we have 3 major development teams looking for partnerships with us for drip, right? And I guess now is a better time than ever to let people know. We have a Chainlink partnership that we're in communications with. We have a Loot NFT partnership to create the first cross-chain NFTs that have both a use case on Binance Smart Chain and on the ETH network, both in their metaverse and
cross-chain
the
NFTs.
Drip platform. And we have a partnership with PancakeSwap in the works, the developers of PancakeSwap. And we're in talks with them about creating a lending protocol in Drip that allows people to take a loan out against their Drip stakes in a stable coin that we will develop. So
we will
the
develop.
stable coin will be spendable on a DEX just like any other stable coin. And it will allow you to take this stable coin loan using your Drip stake as collateral. And we'll be able to do that through a partnership with PancakeSwap, who we're in talks right now to get that set up. This is going to be so big for Drip.
Yeah, say bullish, baby. Bullish. I love that.
If you have
we need this
a
crap.
protocol like Drip that allows people to take out loans, that is such a major tax advantage for super whales who want to be able to spend their capital.
Yes, we need the whales, baby.
Tax on it. The reason why I say this is because you don't have to pay taxes on a loan. So what the super wealthy do is they use their actual cash flow.
So I think I'm gonna pause it there because you guys heard the most kind of everything. He'll then speak more about what is Chainlink, the etc. etc. But absolutely amazing partnerships coming soon with PancakeSwap dev team. PancakeSwap, you guys already know, it's the largest DEX I think out there. I mean, maybe it's neck and neck with Uniswap, but I'm pretty sure PancakeSwap's up there because Binance Chain, you know what I mean? So this is absolutely amazing stuff for Drip. Guys, if we look at the price of Drip, yes, this is not looking good, but we've had this before, stuff like here. But I know here was 10th of January and here, so I know this is only a span of 10 days, the dip, but this is the probably the longest dip in Drip for about, I don't know how many days, for about a long time, let's just say that. Okay, maybe this is the next longest one. So this has been, if you look, I don't know which one to count, I guess. Let's just count this one. 10th of August to 27th. Okay, almost. I think this is almost. It's catching up to it, right? So, but I feel like with the partnerships is amazing, is bullish. They're thinking of making their own Drip NFTs, basically partnering up with Loot NFTs to make cross-chain NFTs on Ethereum and Binance Chain. Amazing. They're thinking of partnering with PancakeSwap, developing their own stable coin. Guys, what? And on top of that, a lending protocol in Drip that lets you lend with your Drip deposit capital. So for example, I go in the lending protocol, I can literally put out 4,000 because I have 4,000 in my Faucet. Amazing. As in, like, you can use your Faucet deposit as collateral, basically. This is amazing stuff coming for Drip, honestly. So looking at the price chart, just don't look at it, honestly. Just don't look at it. Just keep compounding, you know what I mean? Just hydrate. Don't look at it right now. Only hydrate. When it gets up, then start taking profits. So guys, if you want to join Faucet, I want to keep this video short as possible. I think it's already a little bit long. I'm going to keep this video short. If you want to join it, I'm going to leave my link in the description to join the Drip Faucet. If you want a full depth how to join the Faucet, you basically need to go to the website Drip.community, which I'm going to leave a link in the description. You buy Drip with BNB. Once you take that Drip, you need to go to the Faucet, and then you need to paste a buddy link, which I'm going to leave the link in the description. This buddy link is a friend of mine, and usually you have to paste a buddy link, so someone who referred you to it, basically. I will take a small cut, referral, but it will be at no extra cost of you. And then you basically put it here, you click max, you need a minimum of 1 Drip to deposit. Simple as that, guys. And then you hydrate daily, 24 hours. You're making good money. 1% a day. It's been going very strong. This is a protocol that has been going for almost a year. It's amazing stuff. Look at those partnerships. PancakeSwap, that is not easy to get. But guys, I'm going to leave that video there. Let me know what is your thoughts and how bullish are you with the Drip Faucet, with the Drip price, with the Drip ecosystem, with the animal farm, with the piggy farm. What are your thoughts? Don't forget to join the Telegram link in the description as well. Other than that, it's been your boy DJ Khaled. I'll catch you soon in another video. Bye bye.